Hi, I'm personal injury attorney Howard Lesnick. Have you been injured in a rideshare crash in New Jersey? Learn what to do, who's responsible, and how a rideshare lawyer can help you get full compensation today. If you've been hurt in a rideshare accident, you're not just dealing with another driver, you're up against a massive rideshare company and its insurance team. Uber and Lyft have lawyers and adjusters whose job is to save the company money, not to help you. Trying to handle that alone while you're in pain just isn't fair. That's why having an experienced New Jersey attorney on your side can make all the difference. I fight for victims injured in Uber and Lyft accidents across New Jersey. Here's what to do next if it happens to you. First, check for injuries and dial 911 immediately. Always have the police come to the scene. Even if the damage seems minor, the police report is a key piece of evidence for your case and to make a claim. Take photographs and gather information. Get the driver's name, contact information, insurance details, and ask witnesses for their phone numbers. This will help your claim later on. Always save your rideshare trip details. Take screenshots of your trip in the rideshare app, showing the driver's name, license plate, and route. Then report the crash through the app so the company has a record. Finally, seek medical attention immediately. Who pays for your injuries? This depends on the rideshare driver's status in the app at the moment of the crash. If the driver was off the app, only their personal automobile insurance applies. If the driver was logged in but waiting for a ride, the limited coverage applies, usually $50,000 per person or $100,000 per accident. If the driver accepted a trip or was on a trip, Uber and Lyft's $1.5 million insurance policy covers your injuries and damages. Knowing which policy applies is key to getting full compensation. After a rideshare crash, you may be entitled to compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, future medical care, and property damage. Your lawyer will calculate the full value of your claim, not just what you've already spent, but what you'll need in the future too. But beware, insurance companies want to protect their profits, not your recovery. Common tactics by the insurance companies include offering a quick lowball settlement before you know how bad you're hurt. Also asking for a recorded statement that they can use against you later on. Never speak to the insurance company for Uber or Lyft. Choosing the right attorney is one of the most important decisions you'll make after a rideshare accident. Look for an attorney who has experience with Uber and Lyft claims, who understands New Jersey's insurance laws, who speaks with you and communicates clearly so you understand the process, and who offers a contingency fee, meaning you don't pay anything unless they win. At my office, I personally handle every case. You're never just a file number. You're a person who deserves justice and respect. Call my office as soon as possible to protect your case.